Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.1, Problem 27. This is Section 2.1, Problem 27. It says convert the mixed number 2 1/3 to an improper fraction, or in other words, a fraction that has a larger numerator than it does a denominator. So to do that conversion, what we need to do is multiply the denominator times the whole number in front. So coming up, we will multiply, and we multiply 2 times 3, which is 6. Or I could have written 3 times 2. But I get 6 as a result. And then going from the front up to the top, we will add, and we add the result we just got, which is 6, plus the numerator, which is 1 more, so that'll be 7. So that gives me the numerator of the improper fraction, which is 7, and whatever we had as a denominator, which in this case is 3, will just stay the same. So it stays 3. So that's 7 over 3. So 2 1/3 is equivalent to 7/3.